Welcome back to another video. Today, you may have seen in previous videos, I mentioned about the actual garage door. So what I'm going to attempt to do today is I'm actually going to try and insulate the door with this door insulation kit I got from Amazon. I'll give you a closer look at it, what you actually get with the kit. So the kit is actually made by Superfoil. Basically it's like a tin foil with like bubble wrap in the middle of it. So you can use it for garage roofs, wall insulation, floor insulation, so it should be pretty good hopefully. It says improve garage door performance by up to 300%. So hopefully that should cure a lot of the actual condensation and damp in here. With the kit as well you get some aluminium foil tape, some double-sided tape. I also ordered a can of spray glue and another can of tape, kind of aluminium tape, just to make sure I've got enough to actually stick it on. So the first thing you've got to do is actually clean the door. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to remove all this gaffer tape I put on there to try and keep a lot of the damp down. You can see how much air gets through the door. So hopefully this will improve it. I'll probably seal this up first with the aluminium tape, I think. Try and make an airtight seal before I put the insulation on. Like I say, first of all, we'll give the door a good old sweep down, get rid of all the spiders and dead bugs. Give it a good degrease and a clean, give it a good scrub. It's mostly dirt at the bottom. I think a lot of it's overspray from when I'm doing the painting and stuff in here. So we'll give it a good clean and then try the insulation kit. Get some cleaning products out and we'll start cleaning. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just giving it a bit of a spray down with some Pro Clean snow foam in my hose lock pressure bottle. It's the pink one, so does leave a pretty colour. I'm just going over the top with the detail brush just to scrub all these bits out and getting as much as I can to all the nooks and crannies, and then I'll give it a wipe over with some degreaser, probably some white spirit or something, just to try and get as much dirt off as possible, and then I can good chance for double-sided tape to stick. So I'll continue with this, and it'll take me about an hour or so, I thought, to give it all a good clean, and then we can start putting the foil tape on. So it's a little bit cleaner. Still some marks and things in here. I think this is staining from the actual snow foam, I think. I'll try and get as much of this off as I can, and then I think the first job I'm going to do is actually start with the aluminium tape down here. It still feels quite damp actually. It's quite cool today. It's not a freezing cold day. It's still quite damp, so this being metal, it just seems to be holding some moisture a little bit, so I'll dry it off again before I start the aluminium. So I'll do that now, I think. I'm going to start with this foil I got from Amazon. I think it was about 4 or 5 quid. There's 10 metres, so hopefully it should be enough to do both sides. And then that'll be sealed that, and then I'll start with the double-sided tape and the actual insulation next, I think. So I've started using this foil tape on this edge here just to try and seal the gap. It's up in the air actually coming through here, but I'll put another layer of the thicker foil over the top. It's not bad, this one, it's just a little bit thin. This is the cheaper one I got separate to the kit. The one with the kit is a little bit thicker and a little bit stronger. And then I think I'm going to do the actual insulation in drops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side. You see how much light comes through there. So I'm going to do the other side, seal all that up. Then the next stage is going to be doing the drops on the actual door, I think. Okay, so what I've done is I've done a piece of the actual double-sided tape along the top here just to hold this in place. And now I think I'm going to trim the length, probably a little bit longer than I need, because I want to actually tuck it into these things here, make it more of a fitted look, make it look a bit neater. Spray glue one side of the actual door and spray glue this. I've covered the front of the Nissan up so I don't get any glue sprayed on that, because I can't move that at the moment because I'm still waiting for the exhaust pipe parts to come. So I'm going to trim it slightly longer than I need it, so along the bottom, and then I'm going to spray glue one side, spray glue the actual back of this, and hopefully that should hold it in place. And then I'll do the aluminium tape down each edge. As you can see, all done. Put a little bit on that side as well. I've just pushed it in place for now, so I'm going to get some spray foam and actually seal a lot of these gaps up around here. So it's just pushed in there for now. Just see if it makes a difference. Hopefully it will. Keep some condensation down and keep the cold out. I have got to get a rubber door lip for the bottom here. I'll just probably screw it to the bottom of this lip here, and then it'll just drag onto the floor because there's quite a big gap underneath here, so I think there's quite a bit of air getting through. And I'll get a door seal kit as well, just to seal these bits up here, behind here. As you can see, there's air gets through there as well, especially around the slider there. If you can see through, yeah, you can. Some air gets through there. So yeah, pretty pleased with the kit. I think for investment of probably what, £30 or so, I think it's been quite easy. It's taken me what, 3 hours to do in total, and probably an hour of that was actually cleaning the door and scrubbing it all, making sure it was all wax free and oil free so it could stick to it correctly. But I think the spray glue has helped a lot as well. I think using the double-sided tape would probably not been as secure a fit. So I think the spray glue is probably more of a permanent fix. It does seem alright. If it is a little bit warmer in here, but it's warmer today anyway, so time will only tell. It's more of the damp and condensation I was worried about. I think with that being a metal single skin door, it probably caused quite a lot of condensation in here. So hopefully it'll keep the Nissan nice and dry now. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as well if you like, because there's more content coming, especially on the Nissan. I've also got the front lip of the Celica to finish. That'll be coming in another video soon. So now it's getting warmer, I can get to painting that. Still waiting for parts with the exhaust on this, so that'll be coming in a future video as well. As soon as that's all running, I can give it a bit of a test drive, see how it sounds with the quieter exhaust. So don't forget, like I say, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.